Our lives are shaped by small daily decisions. Investing could be one of them. With daily mutual funds SIP on PhonePe, you can start investing with just ₹10 a day in mutual funds. Invest small amounts every day automatically, because a simple daily habit can help build a better future. Set it up once using UPI Autopay and your investment happens on its own. Choose from a range of carefully curated mutual funds across categories like equity, gold and multi-asset, designed to meet all investment needs and risk appetite. Increase your amount or reduce it. You are in control. And even if you stop, your invested money keeps working for you. Daily mutual funds SIP is all about building a habit, one day at a time. Daily mutual funds SIP starting at just ₹10, only on PhonePe.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.